right, to the right! Right around the corner. And at that wood pile. It's got the corner of the building. So watch it.
Can we get to that structure right in front of us?
I think so. I got him backed off a little bit. He's right to the left though, so watch it.
Give me a round and I'm crossing.
Hold on, hold on. Go, go, go. It's to the left, right there. See him? He just took off.
Here, right here, right here. He sees me, he doesn't know you. Did you get him?
Yeah. He didn't say anything, he just stood up. It's a guy at the side of our building right there. See him on the right, or is that us?
I don't know.
We're good, go in, get it. There's a guy that was on that corner.
And there's a guy right there, I don't know if he's with us or not. Right around, no, right around to your left around that corner right there. Look, he's not looking at you, look.
Way off
He
to the
just
back
ran, he
too.
just ran. Watch your 3 o'clock, see? Watch your 3!
We tried to tell you.
Up straight on you, straight, 12 o'clock, Chris.
I got him, I got him.
Where are we?
Right here at this little truck. That was good sneaking, dude. That was good sneaking. I got the guy on the top. Guy on top's down. I don't even know where to go when you get in the building.
Yeah, me neither.
I'm a little scared to go in there. Oh, I saw your shadow. Almost crap myself. They're inside right there next to us.
Who, them or us?
Them. Pretty sure. Oh, hit.
Here, I'm gonna drag you in. Right? Oh gosh.
If you don't kill yourself.
Okay. I get you. Oh gosh, it's
Just going off.
Yeah, he does.
Is that us? I think that's us.
That game?
Yeah.
All right, game on.
Pop in the window, thank
Maybe.
Where are we getting fired?
Right at the corner, right across.
Going left.
Like where we're standing on the other side. There's a guy at that truck lid right there though, by the tree. Whoa.
I gotta hit you.
I'm hit. I was trying to make sure that wasn't like from up. Yeah.
Yeah. There's good circus is right behind you.
I don't know where my rag went.
Hit.
Oh.
Hey, can you unpack?
Good shot. High five. Just go wherever we can hit. Easy breathing. Drag Chris over.
Get ready.
I think they're trying to get in the building right now.
They are in the
There's one in the building. No, they're in the middle. Oh. No, they're not in the middle.
There was a guy up the stairs.
Call that, bro. Really? Okay.
That's the guy I already shot. Don't forget your rags on the ground.
Oh, yeah, I saw it. Good call.
You raise our flag.
Raise the flag. Raise the
Hey,
flag.
get your iPro back on.
I got your rag.
Hit!
You dropped your grenade, buddy. You made it over there, Sam. Nice. That's what you got to do. Be aggressive sometimes. We were just from here.
How do we get in here?
There's a door right here. You can go really quick if you want.
How far out?
Just like 10 feet. The guy that was shooting over here just left, so there's only a guy way over there that I can tell. Got that corner building is all that I know of right now. Hit. Hit. To the building.
Over here.
Okay, wherever you want.
Just come over here so we can just get a little clear spot. So they don't hit us.
Good job, Sam. You took that dude
On the
out.
skin, shirt sticker. There you go. You got both of them?
Yeah, I got both of them. There's still a guy at that corner close, though.
Can we get in the building?
Hey, where are they on our 12?
I think so. Watch out straight forward, though. They're spawning. They're spawning. Oh, got caught sleeping.
Sam.
Hey!
Is that game? Oh. Okay.
What? The battery? Ah, that's what it was. Yeah. I figured when you were shooting and I was like, I think that's kind of our team. That was fun. Popped in the ear, not paying attention.
Take